This is a video about assessment in creative higher education courses. We will focus on assessment and quality assurance and how this relates to course design. Let's define our terms. Assessment is a documentation of learning. It can have the purpose of motivating students, helping students understand their progress, and for quality assurance. Quality assurance is the process by which institutions seek to ensure consistent academic standards, provide high academic quality through teaching and provision of learning resources, and report information to external organizations and the public. Assessment can be formative or summative. A formative assessment reviews work in progress and helps the student shape the remaining work on a unit, as well as helping the institution direct teaching. It provides an opportunity to build on strengths and address weaknesses. A summative assessment evaluates learning and helps the student reflect on a completed assignment. Summative assessment plays a more important role in quality assurance. At Ravensbourne, each unit has a brief, a document containing information about the tasks to complete, learning outcomes, assessment criteria, and other important information. Briefs are reviewed by quality before being given to students. Students can access important documents and can submit work through Moodle, the VLE used by Ravensbourne. At Ravensbourne, degrees are awarded by University of Arts London. University of Arts London validate individual courses and provide the assessment criteria. Details of how well a student has to achieve a learning outcome to achieve a specific grade. Each learning outcome relates to specific criteria on the assessment criteria as defined on the brief. Grades are collected and collated by registry. The grades are then discussed and agreed at the Board of Examiners. The Board of Examiners comprises of academics from Ravensbourne, University of Arts London, and external examiners. External examiners oversee assessment, helping to make sure it is fair and consistent. They will make suggestions to Ravensbourne and the course leaders about changes to make to improve quality on the course, which feed into the annual course monitoring report. This report helps Ravensbourne and the course leaders to make improvements to teaching and learning. Students can appeal decisions made by the exam board or can apply for extenuating circumstances if there is some reason they could not submit. Good practice, course design, and assessment. Appropriate assessment needs to give the student a good opportunity to engage with and demonstrate progress in learning outcomes. Assessment grading needs to be fair and clear. Multiple markers should be used where possible, especially on summative assessments. Learning outcomes and assessment criteria should be communicated clearly and upfront. The student should be given self and peer assessment. Consider resets when setting assessments. Assessment needs to be accessible, taking into account students with diverse needs. Offering a choice of assessments in a unit can improve accessibility, as well as offering a variety of assessment methods across the course. E-assessment is mixed delivery modes can allow students to use assistive technologies as required. Providing digital copies of learning materials is useful in this regard. In summary, assessment needs to be fair, engaging, and ensure quality.